Wow, good morning guys. Actually, sorry, no, it's actually just turned afternoon. Where are we heading today? I thought I'd give the bamboo the bamboo train a go, as it's pretty much
meters, turn left onto road number 2.
all right, getting interfered by Miss Google. Tell me where to go. Yeah, I've just left the hotel, charged my phone as much as I can, charged the GoPro batteries. I've got 3 lots of batteries. But yeah guys, we're going to make way to the bamboo trail. And I didn't mention, I think in my last vlog, that there is two lots of wow, gotta go slowly here because this is so slippery, this gravel stuff. I've already seen an accident today guys with 2 young girls. They've just slipped off on their motorbike.
50 meters, turn right onto Asian Highway.
So yeah, I've only just helped them as well. They were quite bruised up and bleeding and cuts. But anyway, we got that sorted. That was all off camera. Ay, ay, ay,
turn
ay, ay.
right onto Asian Highway 1, National Road 5.
Okay guys, yeah, so I shall see you at the bamboo train, but this is the original, I believe. The original. Now there is a new one as well, which we might go a bit after. All right guys, I'll see you at the bamboo station. Ay, ay, ay. Bit of off-roady guys. This is the way to the bamboo train, I believe. Not unless Google is telling me fibs again. And man, I am cooking in the sun. Okay, bamboo train. Oh yes, check out this guys. Epic. Stay. Choot choot. Okay. Okay. Choo choo guys. Yes, this is the Battambang or Battambang. Two is I think it's Battambang. I thought, but ladies tell me no, Battambang, Battambang. Battambang doesn't seem right, but anyway, what it is, it's the bamboo train guys, and it's pretty quite popular. A lot of YouTubers have come here now, even including Mr. Beano himself. And there's the trains guys. We get to choose the trains. So basically, yeah, it's quite of a simple process. It's just I guess a motorbike engine, hooked up to a chain, or the belt that runs along with the wheels there. They go on the tracks. You put the bamboo wood bed frame on top, you sit on it, start it up, and away you go. And we can go either that way or we can go that way. I'm gonna have a chat with these gentlemen. I'm the only one here, which means from what I've been told, now I'll probably have to be paying $10, because which is still quite cheap, $10 US, which is really cheap, because yeah, if you're the only one here, it obviously costs them a bit to go up and down or whichever and come back. Yeah, and then there's other people here, you go on with them, it's $5. It doesn't matter. Maybe I can have a chat with them, and it supports this village anyway guys. But I believe this is the original. There's no one here with English, so it is gonna be a little bit hard but translating, but I'll use my my 2-word Cambodian language. Yeah, it also makes a fun of it. Okay, all right guys, yeah, having a chat with what was your name again?
Savat.
Savat.
Yeah.
Savat. Okay, I told you I forget. Yeah, Savat said this is the original. So yeah, I'm paying $10, but we're gonna go pretty much up this way, guys, up to the rice fields. Oh, the village, yeah.
Yeah, the fridge.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah,
fridge.
Yeah,
yeah.
We go
to the fridge. Yeah. and then we go this way to the rice fields,
Yeah, yeah.
and then we come back here and party.
Yeah.
That's what he said. And I believe they have rice water here, guys. If you don't know what rice water is, it's the happy water. Remember, I was in supper. Okay, guys, so the water goes in there, and inside the drum, Sal was telling me they use rice, and in this section here, which is quite very hot, is where the happy water leads into the hose, and it goes into the happy water container. Believe it or not, I should actually buy a bigger hat. I might even do that. Oh, look at this one here. I don't know if I should dare to wear that, but maybe. You can buy lots of souvenirs in here, guys. Yeah, many souvenirs. I did bring some water because it is just cooking heat out here. It's so not hot today. Me, I am sweating me nuts off. Yeah, I'm not even going to tell you where my my sticky bee sack is going. Where, yeah, you know what I mean. All right, guys, you can buy beer, water, coconut, lollies, candy, and everything. And I did bring candy for the kids in the motorbike, so it's probably going to melt by the time I come back because there's no kids here. It must be the quiet season. But anyway, guys, we're gonna suit up. I think we might have to wear a helmet. I don't know. I think we just get on the train, we just go. But man, we're gonna cook. But I might get some water into me first. So I'll see you guys when we make trails on the train. All right, guys. Benno is excited because I really wanted to see this and experience it. The bamboo train. There's pretty much, I don't think there's any other country that does bamboo train. Yeah, because this is the original. Nate, look at these. These are cool. I like these. Yeah. Can we ride these ones? No, I'm just joking. Yeah. All right, let's do it. Yeah. So we name is Svat.
Yes.
Svat. Okay. All right, guys. So this is, oh wow. Look at this muscle man. Oh, you're so strong. Whoa. Yeah, they do weigh a bit, you can tell. They're not the lightest, but these guys are absolutely extremely fit. Fitter than Mr. Beano. All right. Oh, this one's a runaway. Okay. This is the process, guys. How they get the train built. Ah, so easy as that. Epic, guys. This is epic. I love it. Whew, so hot today. So I have the water. Oh, look at this. Even the red royal carpet is coming out for Mr. Beano. Oh, wow. Man, we're gonna cook. That's okay. I got
You pay now?
Yeah?
You pay now.
Oh, pay now. Yeah, no worries. All right, gotta pay my my train ticket, guys, and then we'll be making way. Bye bye. I thought Safit is coming, but no, we've got this guy here. Okay. Woo! All right. Choo choo, guys. Wow, how epic is this, guys? Check this out. horn for this train. So that way the traffic can hear us coming. This is unreal, guys. Check this out. This would have to be the absolute best thing in Cambodia. You've got to do this. Battambang Bamboo Train, guys. The most epic thing they'll ever do. Oh, we go this way. Ah. Okay. Now we're going backwards. Alright, he's going to stick it in reverse. Ah, okay. And that's how it's done. Now we're going to go backwards. The boom gates don't come down, guys. I guess they just don't have government authority. But I'm pretty sure, like, the traffic knows, you know, the bamboo train comes through, so they just stop. Alright, so you're wondering when there's another train coming colliding. And now this is what happens, guys. This is how they do it. How would you get through? Is you can't overtake, so yeah. Okay. Yeah, no worries. Oh, this one's a little bit slippery. Okay. Why do you guys get to go through? I have to get off. Oh, they're pretty strong, guys, yeah. And how's that? This is like a small village. This is epic. I love the way these people live around here. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, so obviously one train's going to come off, take it off the tracks. The other one goes through. Yeah, it is what it is. But climbing down here, guys, is a little bit slippery. So if you do be mindful, you know, you do have to just be careful of the slippery rocks. Okay. Oh. All right, Captain, let's do it. Now we have to start up our train again. Whew. Man, I am cooking at here. Okay. Toot toot. He must be the fat controller, controlling traffic through. But he's not called the fat controller. He's the scenic controller. Suste. Oh, I love these villages, guys. These is awesome. Even through here, it's like yeah, definitely anaconda territory and tarantula, most probably. when the other guy left, I thought maybe he wanted me to help. Yeah, I mean, I would have given him a hand, put these on, but no, we got to wait for another one, guys. We've got another train. All right, now we're going to put our train back together and we continue on our journey this way, up to the rice fields, I believe. Yep, looks pretty good to me.
Okay.
Okay, no worries. Choo choo, goodbye. Okay guys, we've made to our final destination. The train station. We're gonna sit here for about 10 minutes, cool down, have a coconut, have some water, have some beer, and enjoy the sceneries. Yeah, it's so good, Eddie, guys. But just remember to bring a hat, cold water, and slip slop slap, because you will cook. Even though this is this is the dry season, so I guess if you come in the monsoon, wet season, it's gonna be not gonna be so hot, but at the same time it's gonna be wet. So yeah, you can't win. Oh, okay, I could. No worries. Oh my god, guys, that is the best coconut I've had. Ah, so good. Akun. I would normally say Akuna Matata, means no worries.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you next time.
Thank you. Yeah.
All right, guys, take care. Safe travels. Safe travels. All right, guys, we've had our coconut. Woo. Yeah, I've met some good travellers from the UK. Now we've got a double train. Okay, bye-bye. Alright guys, see you at the back at the station. Okay.
Enjoy, sir?
Yeah, mate, it was epic. That was really, really good. Yeah, if you do want to come here, I'm going to put all the location and all the information that you need to know in this on this vlog in the description, like I normally do. Now I'm just comprehending, do I maybe go see the new one and see how good the new one is? If it's the same or longer. I think it goes longer because 3 kilometers. Yeah. Take care, guys. No worries. Safe travels. See you, mate. Yeah. I know the new one. Have you been to the new one at all?
Sorry?
The new one. There is a new. This is the original.
Yeah, I've heard about it.
Yeah.
No.
I know it's longer. It's like 20 kilometers, I think, length.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. Which is quite long.
I still have.
But yeah, I'm thinking maybe I can do that, guys, and have a chat and have a drink with these gentlemen here, support this village. Yeah, and go see the new one and see how, if it's maybe the same or is it better. I don't know. I'll get back to you guys and I'll see you back on the road. All right, guys, still making way to the Banon. I think that's how they pronounce it. Banon Bamboo Train, which is the new one. There you go. One for you. That's okay, I could. No worries. Ah, the baby, but maybe too much. Yeah, okay, I could. Bye-bye, bye-bye. No worries. I could. No worries. Okay, bye-bye. We even have shade as well. So stay. Woo! Alright guys, this is the ticket office, I gather. It is yeah, it is pretty quiet here. Oh wow, okay. The tickets. Cash only, of course. Suste, how are you? How much is the ticket? Ah, $7. Has it come back?
Yeah, go come back.
Okay, return trip. Tell me. Ah, Suste. No worries. Okay. Wow, this looks like a roller coaster ride, guys. This is pretty cool. Do we have enough battery? Yes, we do. 28%. I'm not going to charge, obviously. I'm not going to film too much because, yeah, it's going to be pretty much the same train ride, I'm guessing. But I'll get as much as I can. Giving away candy as well at the same time. Yeah, this seems like a theme park. How cool is this, guys? This one has seats, so this is a lot different. This is like a roller coaster. All right, let's go, Captain. Yeah, this is much better. Even the other one was still original. That's why the original. And this is the new one, guys. But it's a bit more of a hike out of Battambang. But it's like 30-minute, 40-minute drive on the motorbike. Wow. Yeah, so these not original. These are not original train tracks. These are obviously made up. You can tell they're quite thin. That's why this is the new one. They've made it. The Hollywood sign. Yeah, so they've made this into like a theme park ride type thing. Because I am cooking in the sun. People live here with the camel, the buffalo, I think, or the cow. Okay. Ah. All right. I don't know what just happened there. He's stopped. Oh, I think he's gonna meet me on the other side. Maybe. before I walk back. It's going to be at least 45 minutes, an hour walk back, maybe, I don't know, but 20 kilometers. Okay, he has stopped. Ah, maybe for the shops, supporting the shops. Epic. Yeah, I don't know, and the thing is I've left my extra camera batteries in my motorbike, guys. Yeah, and I left my phone in there as well, trying to charge on the cable, faulty cable. But yeah, I don't know what this place is all about, but I believe there surely is another train that goes back. But yeah, all this is actually closed. Okay. Yeah, I've really put myself in a hard situation because yeah, I can't film too much, guys. So maybe we'll have to end the vlog here. If the camera does block out, because we're on 13%. All right, guys. Yeah, it's the same train ride back, and then pretty much the station. But if you do want to come here, both stations. Sorry, if you do want to try both bamboo trains, this is the new one, which is like a theme park type. It's just pretty cool. The kids will still love it. Even if I love it, they would. Yeah. Oh, check out this. This is really good. I might even end it here. What a thumbnail. All right, guys. Yeah. Pretty much I'll put in all the description, all the information, location, everything else in the description of this vlog. Is what I normally do anyway. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Check out my Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. I'll put all the shorts as well from today's adventure. I'll put it all on the shorts so you guys can check that out. Check out the links, guys, and I'll put all the links in the description down below. But yeah, I'm gonna have to end it here because my battery on this camera is just about to cock it to go flat, and I did bring 3 batteries, but they're in the back of the motorbike. But that's all good. All right, guys, signing out. And I'll see you on the next adventure somewhere in Cambodia. Ciao for now. Heading back, guys. Signing out.